My friend Megan is planning to build a big pen in the backyard for her dog Jasper so that he can run around and be safe at the same time. She made a picture of where she wants the pen using a coordinate grid on graph paper. A coordinate plane is formed by the intersection of a horizontal number line called the x-axis and a vertical number line called the y-axis. The x-axis and y-axis meet at a point called the origin. Points in the coordinate plane are represented by ordered pairs. The first number in the ordered pair is the x-coordinate, and the second number in the ordered pair is the y-coordinate. On her drawing, Megan wants the corners of her dog's pen to be at point P with the coordinates 0, 0, point Q with the coordinates 12, 0, point R with the coordinates 0, 9, and point S with the coordinates 12, 9. The point P with coordinates 0, 0 is at the origin, so I'll just put point P right here. Okay, let me make that P just a little bit bigger so I can see it. Now to plot point Q, the coordinates are 12, 0, so we begin at the origin and count over 12 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we move 0 units up. That means that point Q is on the x-axis. Let me just make a big Q right there. Now let's plot point R at 0, 9. We go back to the origin and move 0 units to the right. That means that point R is going to be on the y-axis, and we move 9 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll make point R right there and label it really big. Now point S has coordinates 12, 9, so we go back to the origin and move 12 units to the right and then move 9 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'll make a big dot at point S. Now we can determine the amount of fencing Megan needs to enclose the dog pen by finding the length and the width. The length of the rectangle is the horizontal distance between P and Q. To find the distance, find the difference between the x-coordinates of P and Q. Length is equal to the x-coordinate of Q minus the x-coordinate of P, and that's 12 minus 0, or 12 units for the length. The width of the rectangle is the vertical distance between Q and S. To find this distance, find the difference between the y-coordinates of Q and S. Width equals the y-coordinate of S minus the y-coordinate of Q, and that's 9 minus 0, and that equals 9 units of width. So the length is 12 units, and the width is 9 units. And I'll go ahead and finish drawing the fencing of Jasper's dog pen. To find the amount of fencing needed, we'll find the perimeter. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula P is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Now I can use my values of length and width and substitute them into the formula. P is equal to 2 times 12 plus 2 times 9. And simplifying that, perimeter is equal to 24 plus 18. And the total perimeter then of the Jasper's fence is 42 units. Megan needs 42 units of fencing to enclose the pen for her dog Jasper. You know, he's going to love having a fancy pen to run around in. And maybe, just maybe, this will burn off some of his excess energy before we go on our walks.